Hey everyone, I'm Stephen. I've been traveling the world to support educators in using modern digital tools for over a decade.
And I'm Becky, a teacher from the Seattle area. We're both passionate about building the best possible learning experiences for children. When we first met years ago, I asked Stephen a question, why Minecraft? And the answer he gave me got me hooked.
Students are opting to use digital technology in almost every aspect of their lives. Students today only know a world in which the internet exists. Today's learners think, communicate, work together, research, and relax with technology.
They are connected to a network of others in a world where phones are never just phones. Movies, art, games, music, literature, all are available with the touch of a button.
One of the most successful of these technologies in the past decade is Minecraft, a global phenomenon in the form of a game. Minecraft allows its players worldwide to create anything they want in a 3D immersive digital world.
A world with nature, weather, gravity, physics, and even mechanics and electricity. A world in which children are able to create anything they can imagine. Ancient megastructures, real-life cities, and much more.
In the past, we've seen children create the very things that they are interested in learning about on their own. We can capitalize on this interest by making these connections between what children are already building and what we want them to explore as part of their curriculum.
In an immersive digital world like Minecraft, you can apply almost any area of the curriculum from concept to assessment. This includes building human DNA, exploring renewable energy sources, transportation systems, role-playing social systems, and recreating history, just to name a few.
Minecraft brings the subjects that you're trying to teach to the students that you're trying to reach.
Are you ready to engage your students in learning like never before? Join us for more by clicking on the link provided in this video or below. We'd love to help you get started using Minecraft with your students.